There are over 30,000 active private jets globally, with over 70% being in North America. Private jets are reserved for the wealthy, but with the rising number of billionaires, their number is expected to increase by over 7,000 jets, valued at around $236 million in the next 2 years. Owning a private jet is one of the biggest pointers to a luxury lifestyle. Owning, unlike chartering, is associated with numerous benefits, including an unlimited number of flying hours, dedicated usage, and added convenience. But the benefits of owning a private jet come at a cost. Apart from the initial purchase price, you will have to factor in other running costs such as maintenance, hangar rental, crew, fuel, and insurance. These costs are not for those without millions in their bank accounts or the faint-hearted. Today's video will look at the real cost of owning a private jet. We will look at the actual costs of owning a jet after the initial purchase cost. But first, like this video and subscribe. Let's dive in. Purchase price. The initial purchase cost is easily understandable and is what you actually pay to have the plane in your possession. Private jets vary greatly in price depending on several aspects such as age, type, condition, features, range, size and capacity. The price of a new private jet will vary, ranging from $3 million to more than $100 million, but the price may be lower if you are looking for a pre-owned jet. Around 85% of all private jets are bought pre-owned. Finance cost. Most clients seeking to buy a private jet will obtain a loan to purchase their jet. This loan will have interest, just like any other loan you borrow. Most private jet owners will turn to aircraft financing. Aircraft financing is borrowing the additional amount you need to purchase your jet. The company lending you the money will charge interest depending on several factors such as the amount borrowed, loan terms, duration, and economic climate. Most aircraft financing companies will offer an interest of 3.35 to 5% per annum. The monthly repayment could range from $70,000 for a small aircraft to over $110,000 for larger jets. Management. Private jet management is critical for nearly every owner, except if you are willing to handle all the administration yourself. But self-management will reduce the time you save by flying a private jet. Private jet management companies take care of the aircraft for you. They arrange for storage and ensure that the plane is maintained. Private jet management companies typically ensure that the jet is airworthy and ready to fly. Some do additional duties such as hiring pilots, managing their training, arranging flights, and selling your private jet for charter as required. You may even benefit from negotiated insurance, fuel, and maintenance deals. The cost of jet management will vary depending on the services they provide and how often you use your aircraft. The average management fee will be approximately $5,000 per month. Maintenance. Regularly flying your private jet will definitely leave your plane prone to some wear and tear. Jet owners must maintain all planes to be airworthy and safe. Aircraft maintenance depends heavily on the hours flown per year. The hours flown will vary greatly depending on the type of aircraft. Not only do private jets have different maintenance schedules, but they need different levels of maintenance too. You should perform general maintenance regularly and budget for unexpected repairs. The cost of repair and general maintenance will depend on the aircraft model and the nature of the repair. Small issues like a cracked window can cost thousands of dollars. Annual maintenance costs can range from $75,000 to $500,000. Storage. You will need a place to store your jet, most likely your local airport. Sometimes you will store the jet away from its local base. There are two options for storage, outside or inside. If you have a brand new private jet, you wouldn't want it to be stored out in the sun and rain. You will prefer a hangar. You will pay different rates depending on the airport you wish to base the plane. Renting a private hangar will cost you approximately $3,000 a month in a local airport, or up to $12,000 per month in an international airport. Insurance. Insurance is essential to private jet ownership, and just like every other cost in aviation, insurance will differ significantly depending on numerous factors. These factors include the age of the aircraft, aircraft type, average flight hours, and other more complex factors. You can count on a higher premium if the aircraft is large and carries a higher payload. There are two forms of insurance needed for private jet owners: single limit liability insurance and hull insurance. Hull insurance will cost approximately $34,520 while single limit liability is about $12,500 Crew expense is one of the enormous costs of private jet ownership. You will need a pilot to fly your plane. You might be lucky if you get away with a single pilot, but some jets require two. You may even need 3 crew members for large jets on long flights. Your private jet management company can handle crew sourcing and training. Crew costs can vary greatly depending on aircraft size, aircraft type, flying hours, and region. The rule of thumb is the larger the aircraft, the more costly the crew. Private jet owners should anticipate a crew cost of about $200,000 annually. Fuel. Fuel is another significant cost associated with owning a private jet. It mostly depends on the flying hours, onboard weight, speed, and fuel use per hour, gallons per hour. The price of a gallon of jet fuel can range anywhere between $3 and $6. Expect to pay more when it comes to sustainable aviation fuel. Small private planes can burn a minimum of 75 gallons per hour, while larger planes can burn up to 380 gallons per hour. This means that if you are flying approximately 300 hours a year, you should expect a fuel cost of around $102,000 for a small jet and up to $500,000 for large jets. Customizations, upgrades, and add-ons. The number and type of upgrades available in the aviation industry are virtually infinite. Cabin configurations can be refurbished and changed. Jet owners can upgrade cockpits with the latest technology and update paint jobs. Upgrades and customizations are optional and depend on what the owner wants to achieve. Budget and the number of missions significantly determine the number and type of upgrades you do on your jet. You can redesign the interior of your private jet as you please. Though owners can leave their jets as configured, most private jet owners prefer to redesign, adding a personal touch of decor or completely changing the layout. Customization offers owners to tailor their jets to their specific needs. Private jet owners can increase the functionality of both cockpits and cabins. They can add satellite communications, cabin management systems, entertainment systems, and in-flight connectivity solutions like JetWave. Though some upgrades are not aesthetic and will not make your passengers excited, they are critical in ensuring safety and meeting flying requirements. Most cabin-related upgrades are solely for comfort and aesthetic purposes. Estimates are bountiful and optional, and a blanket estimate can be around $100,000 and $1 million. Do you think private jets are worth the cost? What features would you love in a private jet? Leave your comments below. Kindly like this video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.